jetzt schon starten?
Ja.
We made it. After 3 hours in the car, we have arrived here in the Ticino, the Italian part and south part of Switzerland. It's already going pretty nice. We're here, we've just eaten, and now I'm gonna take a bath because it's really hot. And here we have like the Swiss beach. Vibing, chilling, have fun watching the video. Alright guys, we are here in Ascona. The Italian accent already got me. We are now eating some gelato. Honestly, life is more beautiful with the sun. Goodbye. Sollen wir singen irgendetwas vom Chor oder so?
Tell you she in love with him, so sweet. Ain't saying nothing. She kissed you with the mouth. She gave me head with my
Ihr habt das früher sicher auch gehabt.
Pasta with tomato sauce with, where is the pesto? Give me the pesto. And pesto. Very good, very nice. Pasta with pesto and tomato sauce.
Ja, klein. Und der Salz bleibt ja nicht mehr drin. Sieht so cool aus. Einfach so. Nein.
Say banana. Good morning, we're now here in Brione. We're gonna do a walk, a Wanderung, and yeah, this morning we ate breakfast with the perfect views. I slept so well this night. Alright, so I don't know where we are. I think it's Brione, but it feels like a magical place. It is all like so old, but so pretty. Not bad at all. Can someone tell me why I'm always the last one? Like always, since kindergarten. Always. Why? So after finally finishing that walk that was a bit confusing, we have now eaten here at this very beautiful spot. We're gonna take a bath and just enjoy it. What do you think? For me, the best time when I'm most like calm and really living the moment, the present moment, is when I don't know what day it is and I don't know what time it is. Just that you see how transparent it is. This is my hand. You can still see my hand. Oh, you just looked in. So we are here in La Vertezzo, and it's a very touristical place. You can already see it by the people that are here. We were before like really almost completely alone, but here lots of people. Our friend had to drop us with the car because it's very complicated to park anywhere, so thanks to my friend. And if you're going to visit here this bridge right there. I would suggest to come in the early morning or in the evening, somewhere where you can expect not that many people to come here. But it's pretty nice. Okay guys, I don't know if you can hear me, but just that you know, if I'm making this with content, my biggest goal is to be able to afford things like this to travel. I don't want any material type of luxury car, I don't know, I don't care about that. I care about these things. That's really my goal. That's where I want to get to. Oh my. Guys, I'm literally cooking. Guys, I got a shower. Pew, 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 pew. Good morning. Today is the last day. Sad but true. Today I think we're gonna clean up a bit the house and take it easy. Then we're gonna go to Lugano and see the city a bit, eat there, maybe go shopping, but I don't think that I will spend money, honestly. And then yeah, go back. Meloni, coffee, pudding.
Bitte tust du ab, bitte, bitte tust du ab, bitte, okay. Und dann gehen wir einfach so schnell wie möglich von dem Bügellift. Und das Bügellift fahren ist.
So we're now here in Lugano and I'm still standing physically. I'm not really feeling very well, but I went to the toilet and I ate something, so now it's much better. We're here near the lake and I think it's gonna start raining, so we're gonna be here like for 1 hour, 1 more hour, and then we'll leave. Yeah, that's the end of the trip. Hope you liked the video and please help me out. I'm starting with making this video, so I want to do things that I like filming, but I also want to do things that you want to see. So if you got any suggestions, please write them down in the comments, what you liked, what you didn't like. That helps me a lot. Thanks for watching the video.